Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully people must be taking care of yourself. Take precautionary measures whenever you go outside. Wash your hands properly. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Wear mask if you go outside. Stay home. Stay safe. It's a summer pack tutorial number 2 from page number 2 to 4. Okay ji, on this page we have 3 questions: barcode and motherboard, RAM and ROM, and expansion slot and expansion card. Let me explain you, then you can write the difference. Barcode reader is a machine which reads the barcode on different products. As you can see in the picture that there is a barcode. That machine is reading that barcode. Okay. Decodes the data in the barcode and send the data to the computer. Like this barcode contains country of origin, price, product name, etc. The board is the main board of the computer. All computer components are attached on it, like all peripheral devices are connected on it, and RAM, ROM, processor, etc. Okay, what is RAM? RAM stands for random access memory. Okay, it stores data temporarily in the computer storage and it is directly accessed by the central processing unit. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a permanent storage area and it contains instructions for the startup process of the computer. Like when you press the power button, it tells it how to start. Expansion slot is the long narrow socket. Like as you can see, these are the sockets where you can put the expansion card. Okay, expansion means to expand. This expansion card is a like card. It's a circuit board. It enhances the capability of the computer. Like if you want to enhance the sound of the system, you can use a sound card. This is a page number 5, and again we have 3 questions on this page. I will explain you a little bit, then you would be able to write the answers. Okay. Then first question is about input devices and output devices. As you know that input devices are used to enter data into the computer and output devices are used to show the data. Commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. and the output devices are monitor, speaker, printer, etc. Fingerprint reader is a machine basically which reads the impression of your finger or your thumb. Okay, whenever you put your finger or your thumb on this machine, it will read the impression. Nowadays this machine is very useful. You have to write the 3 purposes of this machine, that why we use this machine and where we are using this machine. Question is about robot. Robot is a machine. It's a man-made machine and it is programmable. It needs a software to be installed in it and it works accordingly. Just need to write the functions of the robots, like what is the function of the robot. Question number 10 is about expansion cards. You have to write 2 of them here, and the 11th one is about barcode, and you have to write that what information is gathered from the barcode, and 12 is about the cutting edge technology. The cutting edge technology is the most latest technology and I have discussed. Please write it down here. You can read the content from the page number 7 to 13 as well. If you feel any kind of difficulty, you can always speak to me. I am always here. Thank you so much all of you. Take care.